Hello everyone. Previously, I shared with you regarding 5 simple steps to grow green onions in containers at home. If you are interested in that video, please see the link in my comment section below. Since then, I have been curious about trying a different approach to grow green onions. So in today's video, I will share with you what I did differently this time and what the outcome looks like. So for this time around, 3 things I made a change to. First is the container size. The second is the spacing between the green onion roots. The third change is how I water the plant. Everything else remained the same as before. Previously, I used a Costco mushroom container that was 3 inches deep and 6 inches wide. The soil was a little over 2 inches deep. This time around, I used a half-gallon milk container that I cut out. The container was 5 inches deep and 4 inches wide. The soil was about 4 inches deep. For spacing between green onions, previously I had 1.5 inches between green onions, but this time around I planted green onions roots closely to each other with very little spacing. This is how it looked like. Previously I watered the plant from the topsoil, but this time I watered the plant from the bottom to allow the plant to soak up water through the container drainage hose. On December 3rd, I planted the green onion roots and placed them under the grow light. No changes to the soil composition, same as before. I use potting soil mixed with compost and cocoa peat. I also add a bit of perlite. So here is the journey.